Hi, you can see that it's a YouTube end screen, and in this video I will show you that how it is created. First, create a new composition and rename it as end screen. Duration is 10 seconds, change it to 15. Step 1. Create a new solid and rename it as background. Use effect gradient ramp and change the colors. You can set your own colors, the colors that you like. And change their position. Using the shapes, draw an ellipse. Disable the fill and enable the stroke. Change the stroke to 8 in the transform. Keyframe the scale and move it to around 20 frames and change to 0. Select keyframes F9 to easy ease. Using add repeater and make changes in this repeater 1. Change the copies to 15 and in the transform change the position so that they will move. That's fine. Add another repeater and increase the copies to 8, and in the transform in the y-axis what we will do, we will make the x-axis to 0. After these repeaters, add another property, per current plot, change it to 0, and after 1 second change it to -55, and then change back to 0. Again change it to 51 and change back it to 0. Select keyframes F9 to easy ease them. So in this way our background is ready. Decrease the opacity to up to 35. Keyframe the position. And move it towards the left side of screen. Easy ease these using shapes, ellipse tool. Create an ellipse. Hide the stroke. Add fill. Use fast blur. Change the track back to alpha inverted matte. Now our background is ready. I will add more shapes. Use rounded rectangle tool. And in rectangle 1, path 1, change the roundness. Animate it using position keyframe. And enable the motion blur. Gradient ramp effect is used. Use drop shadow to give it depth. And change the distance and increase the softness using ellipse tool. And duplicate it, change the fill to stroke. And change its name to outline. Add trim paths and 0. F9 to easy ease this. You can add their channel name. Use opacity. There you can add your text. Thanks for watching. In the paragraph, center align it. animate these tags, go to text, animate, tracking. In the tracking, add the property of position and the property of opacity. Change the opacity to 0 and change the position in y-axis to 131. In the range selector, advance, change the characters to words and keyframe this start and offset. Press U, it will reveal the keyframes, and increase this both to 100. Select this and you can draw a mask around it. Change the feather to 5. Using the shape tool and rectangle tool. And enable the fill. Copy this gradient ramp and paste it there. Change the positions. And drop shadow, increase the distance, increase opacity. Keyframe the scale, change it to from 0 to 100, F9 to easy ease. Enable the motion blur. Add duplicate it, make it appear below. So these are two placeholders. Once this video will appear, you can add the both videos as a callouts in the YouTube settings, and there you can add your channel profile image. I have added some image to show you that how it will look. So remember, we have created this shape layer and add the image above it. Change the size and change the track matte to alpha matte. Select this shape layer and keyframe the scale. F9 to easy ease. In this way, you can create your own YouTube ad screen. You can make changes in these shapes and make variations, change your color, and make other tweaks like name and these shapes. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.